If your Control4 remote suddenly stops responding, begin with the simple fixes that solve most problems. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones, and make sure you're within proper range of your Control4 system. Weak batteries and distance issues are the most common causes. If that doesn't fix it, reboot the remote. For Halo touchscreen remotes, press and hold the off button until the power menu appears, then tap restart. For older non-touch models, remove one battery, wait about 10 seconds, and insert it again. If you're using a V2 remote and it needs a full reset, remove one battery. Hold the red 4 button while reinserting the battery. Keep holding until test appears, then release and press cancel until the screen turns blank. If the remote still won't work, check the Control4 controller itself. Make sure it has power and is connected to your home network. Look for normal status lights. If needed, unplug the controller for 10 seconds and plug it back in to reboot it. Network issues are another common cause, so confirm your Wi-Fi is stable and there are no IP conflicts. Also, ensure your firmware is up to date. If nothing works, contact a Control4 authorized dealer for professional diagnostics.